AI controls the world, in easy words, AI, artificial intelligence, is not a robot boss ruling the world, but it helps control many things around us by working quietly in the background. Here's how. 1. Makes big decisions. Faster. Governments, banks, and big companies use AI to make fast and smart choices, like where to build roads, how to save money, or when to sell products. 2. Controls what we see online. Apps like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook use AI to show you videos and posts. It learns what you like and keeps showing similar things, so it influences your thinking. 3. Takes over jobs. AI is replacing many human jobs like customer service, delivery, and even some doctors or teachers. It works faster and doesn't get tired. 4. Helps in spying and security. Governments use AI for surveillance, like face recognition cameras, tracking people, or predicting crimes before they happen. 5. Used in war and defense. Some countries use AI in drones, weapons, and cyber attacks, making modern wars more high-tech and dangerous. ChatGPT versus DeepSeek versus other AI tools. Easy comparison. Tool. What it's good at where it's weak. ChatGPT great for chatting, writing, coding, answering questions. Sometimes outdated if not connected to internet. DeepSeek. Very strong in math, science, coding, Chinese language. Less fun to chat with, can feel robotic. Claude safe, polite, gives balanced answers. Sometimes too careful, not very bold. Google Gemini understands photos, videos, and works well with Google Apps. Still not perfect, sometimes private data concerns. Perplexity AI fast answers from the internet. Great for research, not good for storytelling or creative tasks. Llama, Mistral free, open source, used by developers. Not user-friendly for everyday people.